This place is beautiful.
Stay near the camp.
I can hear water. It sounds peaceful.
Look, Maya! The trees are so tall.
Yes, stay close.
I will.
Put the food here.
Good idea.
We need clean water.
The stream is near.
The water is clear.
Can I touch it?
Yes, but slowly.
No running.
It is cold.
It feels fresh.
I like it.
Me too.
We will wash here.
You two stay near. Okay, Mom, we will wait.
A blue butterfly. It is pretty. It is going there. Only a little. We can still see camp. Yes, it is there. Do not go far.
Just 1 minute.
Wow, flowers. They are bright. Can we look? A quick look. Monkeys. They are small. They are funny. Do not touch them.
It jumped! Come on, Maya!
Slow down.
I am slow.
The camp is behind us.
I know.
We should go back soon.
After the monkey.
Look at that bird.
It is red.
Very red.
Bali is magic.
It has a path. Maybe animals use it. We can follow. Only a little more.
They are quiet.
They are near.
Call them soon.
Yes, soon.
Look, small tracks.
Animal feet?
Maybe. Let's see. A deer. Stay quiet.
It is beautiful.
Do not scare it. It went that way. Jace, wait. I can see it. Stay with me. I cannot hear camp.
Maybe it is close.
I am not sure.
We can go back.
Which way?
I don't know.
This path?
It looks different. Our steps are gone.
Gone?
Leaves covered them.
Oh no.
Are we lost?
Maybe a little.
I am scared. Hold my hand.
Jace?
Maya?
Where are they?
They were here.
Jace! Maya!
Check behind the tent.
They are not here.
Stay calm. Small footprints.
Into the forest?
Yes.
We must go now.
Jace! Maya!
Can you hear us?
No answer.
We need help.
Pack the phone. I have it. Bring water.
And the map.
They are children.
We will find them.
I am afraid.
I am too.
It is getting dark.
We need a safe place.
Like camp?
Like shelter.
What was that?
A bird. A big bird. It will not hurt us.
Our children are lost. How long?
Not long, but forest.
We move now. Camp here? Yes, near the stream.
They followed animals.
We search this area.
Lights ready.
Radio's ready. Can I help? Stay with us.
Please find them.
We will search wide. They are small. We know.
Forest team, move north. Copy. Searching streamline. Copy.
I am hungry.
Me too.
What can we eat?
Only say fruit. Bananas. Can we eat them? If they smell good. They smell sweet.
This helps.
Eat slowly.
I feel better.
Good. Small apples. Wait, check first. They look red. Only take good ones. Here, one for you.
Thank you. Do not eat too much. Okay.
I want Mom. I know. Will they find us?
Yes, they will.
Look, a cave. Is it safe? We check first. Stay together. No animals. It is dry. Good shelter. We can rest.
We need dry sticks. I found some. Put them here. Like this?
Rub slowly.
It is hard.
Try again. I see smoke. Fire. Small fire. We did it. Keep it safe.
I miss Dad. I miss Mom. I am sorry.
We stay brave.
No sign yet.
Please keep looking.
They need us. We continue.
Check left.
Check the stream.
Call their names.
Jace! Maya!
Light on ridge. No movement. Search lower. Turning now.
I hear something.
A helicopter? Maybe. Wave carefully. They cannot see us. Too many trees. What now? We wait for morning. Sleep near me.
I am cold. Use my jacket. Thank you, Maya.
They love water.
Maybe they find a stream.
Can that help?
Yes, streams lead out.
Team 1, East Stream.
Team 2, South Path.
We follow you. Stay close.
Mia, I am here. Do not leave. Never. Warning? Yes. I am thirsty. We find water. Make a mark. So we remember? Yes. Good idea. Water. Listen carefully. This way. Walk slowly. We found water. Drink slowly. It is fresh, not too much. I feel awake. Me too. Which way now? Follow the stream. Streams go somewhere. To people? Maybe a village. Let's follow it.
Banana peel. Fresh. They were here. Good sign.
We found food signs.
Are they alive?
Very likely.
Thank God.
Whoa! Hold my hand. Thanks. Slow feet. Smoke. Maybe people. A village? Let's be careful. Houses. We are safe? We found people. Almost.
Are you lost?
Yes. We need help.
Come, children.
Thank you. Sit here. My brother is tired. Water first. Thank you. This is good. We were very hungry. Eat slowly. Okay.
2 children are here.
Names?
Jace and Maya.
We are coming.
They are safe. They are safe?
Where are they?
A village nearby. I need to see them.
We are close.
My babies. They are safe.
Will Mom come? Yes, very soon. And Dad? Both of them. Jace! Mia! Mom! Dad!
I was so scared. I am sorry.
You are safe now. We stayed together. Are you hurt?
No, just tired.
Mia?
I am okay.
You protected him.
I tried.
You were brave.
I was scared too.
We found a cave.
A cave?
We made small fire.
That was smart. They followed the stream. The stream saved them. And courage.
Thank you all. Thank you for helping.
They are good children.
You saved our family.
You are welcome.
You did not leave me. Never. You are the best. You were brave, too. Drink more water. Yes.
We learned a lot. Stay near us next time.
The forest is beautiful.
And dangerous.
I will stay close.
We all will.
Family is home.
Even in the forest, we stay together.
Always.